You're in for a real treat here. The heater unit in this PD... Well, it's the fan unit. PD4104. Sorry, I have COVID and I think it's causing me to be slightly retarded. But this is cool because most of the ones I see online don't have this. I mean, I don't think it originally had this. I think they put it in there to shut it off, or maybe because the lines they go to a little, like, I don't know, it's like a switch, a hot, well, as soon as it gets to a certain temperature, then it lets the coolant come in, I guess. But I was just trying to get this vinyl out of the way, and I didn't want to pull on it and bend the panel, this panel. Well, I did pull on it and it did bend the panel, but I thought this was cool. You're wiser with Kaiser. Cadillac, Michigan. Huh. It's got a relay down there. I mean, it does work. I think mine turned on over there. Well, let me think about this. I think, let's see. Let's see here. Blower? No. It doesn't work from there. There's an AC thingy. But that's for the hydraulics, I think. But... oh, okay. So defrost. Fireworks. Smells horrible. Not sure. Yeah, these are the output. And then they go to each one of these things. So I think I might keep this unit and then maybe introduce some other heating. Like maybe an electric heater wouldn't work very well. I'll figure something out. But that's cool. That works. And it works off the dash. The dash thing. So I got low and high. And that's awesome. But all this is original in here. I don't know why I started the bus. Maybe to listen to the low air thing. Okay. But this is really cool. I'm probably gonna take some pictures. Look. You can see how it's mounted in there. But I took the tube out because it was fucking with my pedal when I was driving it. Easiest fix was to rip it out, which it didn't really work out too well because of this, the way the tubing's made. It's got these metal, real pain in the butt. But that's really cool. I wonder if you can see which direction the tubes come from. Oh, what's that? Oh, so they go back underneath the steps. into the coolant. And I go down. That area right there is below this. Disorientated. But those go. Camera in there. I don't know where those go. Now I'm stuck. My other bus has the I wonder if I should put that on a hinge. It has a fire extinguisher mounted here. I mean, it says it on the outside. Fire axe. Well, mine has a fire extinguisher. No axe. Would be cool to see if, I mean, see the actual axe. I guess I look in the manual, but this is cool. I thought this was cool. I might take this off. See if I get attacked by anything. And I'll get back to you.